Assalamu alaikum. In many scenarios, we need to calculate the number of days between two dates, or the number of days between today and any given date. You can do this in many ways. I'll show you two of them in this video. Here is the date where a baby was born in a hospital, and here is the date where that baby left that hospital. We need to know how many days did the baby spend in the hospital, and also we need to know how old the baby is today in days. The first method is to use days function. It is enough to type equal sign, days, open bracket, argument 1 is the date of living and argument 2 is the date of birth, close bracket, and enter. Highlight all cells down in this range and press Ctrl D to calculate the number of days for each baby. To calculate how old the baby is today in days, type equal sign, days, open bracket, date of today, which is the result of today function. The second argument is the date of birth, close bracket, and enter. Highlight all the cells down in the range and Ctrl D. It's done. Method 2, you can accomplish the same result by simply subtracting start date from the end date. So here, to calculate how old the baby is in days, we need to subtract start date, which is date of birth, from end date, which is today. If you found this video useful, hit like button. If you are a fan of Microsoft Word, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.